Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Explain the procedure to the resident. Fill basin with comfortably warm water. Remove a sock from the resident's right or left foot. Immerse resident's foot in warm water. You may verbalize the 5 to 20 minutes soaking time after you begin soaking the foot. Use water and a soapy washcloth. Wash entire foot. Wash between toes. Rinse entire foot. Rinse between toes. Dry foot thoroughly. Dry thoroughly between toes. Apply lotion to top and bottom of foot. Avoid getting lotion between toes. If any excess lotion on foot, wipe with a towel or washcloth. Replace sock on resident's foot. Empty equipment. Rinse equipment. Dry equipment. Return equipment to storage. Placed soiled linens in designated laundry hamper. Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Place call light or signaling device within easy reach of the resident. Maintain respectful, courteous interpersonal interactions at all times.